Hi everybody, this is the helper video for CR number 12, extended response. First thing we're going to do is we are going to look at both sides of this equation because we have to determine what the solution is, if there is a solution, or maybe there might be infinitely many solutions. So we have to solve the equation to figure this out. And the first step we're going to take is we are going to distribute this 2 that's on the outside of the parentheses to each term on the inside of the parentheses. Remember, a positive times a positive is a positive, and you can even use your calculator to take 2 and multiply that by 0.25. 2 times 0.25 is 0.5, and I'm going to bring down the x. And then I have a positive 2 times a negative 8. Positive times a negative is a negative. 2 times 8 is 16. And then I'm going to bring down the other side, 1/2 x. And then I can combine 18 minus 2 because these are both constants. And 18 minus 2 is 16. And I have more positives than negatives, so it's a positive 16. Okay, this is what you really need to look at. Oh, let me put the x here. Sorry about that. You need to look at this left side here and this right side here. Well, first thing I have to do is take my variables and bring them all to the left side. So I'm going to subtract 1/2 x on my right side, and I'm going to subtract that from both sides of the equal sign. So if I subtract 1/2 x on this side, I'm going to subtract 1/2 x on this side, and I'm lining up my like terms. Now remember, 0.5 and 1/2 are actually the same exact number. 0.5 as a decimal is the same as 1/2 as a fraction. So if I have a half here, or 0.5, and I subtract that half here, guess what happens? They zero out. On this side, we already know they zero out because I was trying to move all of my variables to the left side. That leaves me with a value of negative 16 on the left side of the equal sign and a positive 16 on the right side of the equal sign. Now, if I look at these two numbers, not in my lifetime does negative 16 ever equal positive 16. They are not equal. So guess what? There is no solution to this equation. So now go ahead and try that extended response yourself, and hopefully this will help you out.